Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Hell and Back on the ukulele. We'll start by mastering the 4 core chords, C, G, M, and F. These are super common and easy to learn, even for beginners. Focus on clear finger placement and smooth transitions between each chord. You'll be surprised how quickly you can get the hang of it with just a little practice. Let's get those fingers ready to strum some tunes. Now that you have the chords down, let's tackle the strumming pattern. For Hell and Back, a simple and effective pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and your rhythm steady. Start by practicing this pattern very slowly, perhaps counting out loud. Once you feel comfortable, gradually increase your tempo. This consistent rhythm will really bring the song to life. The beauty of Hell and Back on the ukulele lies in its straightforward chord progression. The entire song primarily uses the C, G, M, and F chords in that exact sequence. You'll repeat this 4-chord progression for almost the entire song, making it very accessible. Pay close attention to the timing and feel of the original track to help you internalize when to switch chords. Consistency is key here for a smooth sound. To truly master Hell and Back, consistent practice is your best friend. Try to dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to working on your chords and strumming. Using a metronome can significantly improve your timing and help you stay in sync. Once you feel confident with the chords and rhythm, try singing along. This will help you connect with the music and make your performance even more enjoyable. Keep strumming and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.